flood warning in effect until 9:15 a.m. this morning.
After 6 to 1.
What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following counties: Morris and Sussex. When? Until 9:15 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:06 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Dover, Hopatcong, Boonton, Horton, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, Victory Gardens, Lake Telemark, Succossuna Canville, and Succossuna. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage are in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report observed flood to local emergency services or law enforcement and flood disasters information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Flood warning in effect until 9:15 a.m. this morning. What? Flooding.
Hey, you unplug this one. There you go. Unplug. Hey, you unplug this again.
Where?
Never
Around the
mind.
Po River near Moa. When? From this morning to late tomorrow evening. Impacts at 9.0 feet. State Route 202 floods downstream. Moderate flood. Place, Brook Street and Catherine Avenue. Additional details: at 6:30 a.m. Monday, the stage was 9.3 feet. Bankville stage is 6.0 feet. Recent activity: the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 6:30 a.m. Monday was 9.3 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise to a crest of 10.5 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 10.5 feet on December 21st, 1973. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect until 9:15 a.m. this